BGM Danilo Guateros to receive this Gawan Parangal. So, Gawan Parangal is hereby awarded to BGM Danilo Guateros, Chaplain Officer to Mr. Tao Aichi, for your invaluable, exemplary contribution and unselfish love in serving the country and your community, in line with the program of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. for a zero tolerance in graft and corruption, anti-illegal drugs, and criminality. We want to express our gratitude and appreciation as a God-centered and empowered organization, strengthening a culture of efficiency, effectiveness, and spirituality between and among the officials of the Philippine government through good leadership. Even during the 2024 Tao Ai Summit with the theme Transnational Organized Crime, a growing threat to national and international security. Even this theme on the 15th day of June 24 and 24 held at Aberdeen 4th Gate Eastern Hotel, Quezon Avenue, Quezon State. Signed, General Delphine Dilucus Jr., BJ Maria Consolacion Estrada, Besio Valera, yours truly, and Attorney Galman Garcia, PhD, TPA, Doctor of Humanities.
Bago namin ibigay yung Gawan Parangal kay Labi Dani, makikita niyo po yung contribution na ginawa niya sa tao. Grabe po, hindi basta-basta itong ginawa ni Beloved Dani. Yan, titingnan niyo, pagpasurrender lahat sa mga ano po ito, makikita niyo lahat mga rebel po yan, mga MP commander, ang pasurrender niya, Sibungan Bali, yan. Yung sa Mindanao, Peace Mission Talipaw, Sulu. Ito yung sa Brigade Duty Jesus Miracle Crusade, kasama siya doon sa military. Oo, yan. Makikita natin na yung napakaraming accomplishment ang nagawa niya. Kaya nagbibigay tayo ng mga accomplishment, hindi po yung binabayaran. Kasi nagbibigay niyo sa mga Gawan Parangal, may bayad, magbabayad pa si yung bayad, bibigyan ng Gawan Parangal, magbabayad pa ng 50,000. Di wow! 25,000, di wow! Ay tayo hindi. Nagbibigay tayo batay mismo sa ginawa at ginampanan ng mission sa atin. Palagpakan mo natin, congratulations! Hawakan mo yan. Dito ka, dito ka. Picture tayo para. Yan, yan.